a gator? Ooh. Finnegan, look at the gator. Look, look. Hey, hey.
We had one right there.
See, there he comes. Ooh, he's coming. Ooh, there he is. Look, Finnegan. Look. Gator. He's laughing. Ooh.
He's running his...
Now, if you look at the distance between his eyes and his nose when he's in the water, that distance in inches will give you an idea how long he is in feet. As you can see, he was about, what, 9, 10 feet long when he was up on the bank there. So, as I said, 80% of the river front now is conservation land. Either sold to the county, sold to the state.
Gotta watch him. He'll put anything in his mouth.
Sold to the county or the state.
It's a pacifier back?
This river's pretty close to the way it was almost 100 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Now, there are a few houses and buildings, of course. There's Snook Haven among others, but by and large, it's the way it was. Now, with the conservation plans that are in place here,